For nearly 5 decades, Jackson Services has been serving our community in impactful ways that extend beyond quality HVAC, plumbing, and mechanical services. Our ultimate dedication is to our community, spanning the entire region from West Georgia to East Alabama. We are committed to providing the same quality service and customer care established by our founders in 1973. Each day brings new opportunities to improve our skills, expand our knowledge, and help those who entrust us with their heating, cooling, and plumbing needs. Passion, virtue, and respect are ingrained into us to ensure our customers receive the care they deserve. There is no job too big or too small. Whether it is fixture repairs and replacements, routine inspections, or serving our industrial partners, we are here to help. We work for our families, we work for our community, we work for you. Jackson Services, the name you know and trust.